We are still in the dungeon. As our head woman said, this is an altar. Okay. We have about 77 shrines in Cape Coast. One was here before British came to build this house. But then when the castle was about to be built, they moved the whole shrine to a different place. And after the abolition of the slave trade, people living in Cape Coast brought their shrine back here. That's why this one is here. So this was our primer before Christianity and then Islam came. But then when Europeans got to know about this religion, they brought in more missionaries to come and combat the powers of this one by preaching the gospel of God. So people saw Christianity as a shrine of salvation. So we accepted that one. They left our ancestors behind. So believe me, in Ghana here, less than even 15% of the whole population, practice this one. Anyway, if you look at that side, you see lots of reefs. Plenty of those, and these were brought here by the Africans from the diaspora. Jamaicans, Trinidadians, Surinamese, Louisians, and many countries just to pray in honor of their ancestors. This was the one brought here by Barack Obama, the family, in 2009. And the whole family came here, visited this castle, and this was their wreath in honor of their ancestors. If you look at this side, from here to that side, you see a blocked wall. There wasn't anyone here. A tunnel, rather. So the men will walk through the tunnel to join the women to be taken away. Here was the entrance of the tunnel, but now it's been blocked off, all to signify the end of slave trading in this country. It was blocked way back in 1833. Any question?
They actually chained here? The chains on them? How did they do that? Were they attached to the wall or just attached to them?
On their arms and then legs. Not on the wall. Each other, some of them to individual chains. Okay. Because if you die, they'll throw you into the sea and they take off their chains for another person. Okay, So some of them, it was some of them to individual chain.